Welcome to one of Italy's hidden gems, Centuripe, a town shaped like a starfish and steeped in history. Centuripe is a small but captivating town located in Sicily, Italy, in the province of Enna. Often called the Balcony of Sicily, this town sits on a hilltop and offers stunning panoramic views of Mount Etna and the surrounding valleys. But what makes Centuripe truly unique? If you look at it from above, through drone footage or satellite images, the town resembles a starfish or a human figure, with its 5 elongated arms stretching out. This fascinating layout has earned Centuripe international attention and admiration. Centuripe's history dates back to ancient times. It was founded by the Syculi people around the 8th century BCE, making it over 2,500 years old. Later, it became an important center during the Roman Empire, known for its ceramic art and statues. Many Roman artifacts, including statues and pottery, were discovered here and are now preserved in the Archaeological Museum of Centuripe. Today, Centuripe remains a peaceful town, with narrow streets, charming houses, and warm locals who keep its history alive. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking beauty, history, and a unique perspective on Sicily. Don't miss adding this hidden wonder to your travel bucket list. Thank you for watching.